Hello my friends, hope all you're doing well. I'm Ellen and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to episode 267 on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Today's recipe, we're going to make some homemade churros, and these are the bomb.com. We're going to fry them up to golden perfection. They're going to be so delicious, and we're going to put cinnamon sugar glaze on them. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make, and these would be great for breakfast or a snack. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. So grab your oil, your cinnamon sugar, and your flour sugar, because we're about to fry some churros magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright my friends, in my large pot, I got the fire over high heat. I added in 1 cup of evaporated milk, and I like to use milk instead of water. It's going to give our churros great flavor. We're going to add in 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Going to give that a quick stir. And all we do is bring this to a boil and let the butter melt. Alright my friends, the milk and butter has come to a boil. And we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half a teaspoon of almond extract, and 1 cup of cake flour. Going to give that a stir until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing up the dough, and I put it in a large bowl, so now we're going to let this cool slightly. Alright my friends, the dough is nice and cool, so we're going to add in 1 egg at a time. I'm using 2 jumbo eggs. And blend so it's nice and well incorporated. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing up the dough, and I put it in my piping bag with a star tip. Now we're going to set this aside while we heat up some oil. Alright my friends, I got my oil nice and hot. Now we're ready to fry our churros. Going to gently put them down like this. And then using my scissors, we're just going to cut it like this. Alright my friends, I'm through frying the churros, and I put it on the pan of paper towel to drain the excess grease. And over here I made my cinnamon sugar, which is half a cup of white sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And while they're hot, we're just going to dunk them into the cinnamon sugar. Make sure they get nice and coated. Just like that. Doesn't that look good? Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish frying the rest of my churros, and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, there you have it. Homemade churros. Doesn't that look divine and scrumptious? And I'm serving it with some chocolate syrup. Alright, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. So crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. I love that cinnamon sugar. These are so delightful. I'm gonna try one with the chocolate syrup. I'm in heaven. Y'all enjoy these. Churro-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed the video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I see y'all on my next video. Let's eat.